Guys, my name is Gazanfar and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create websites for eye clinics or for the doctor who offers services related to eyes. So we will be creating this beautiful homepage layout along with other pages on the website, and we'll be creating all of these pages within 30 minutes. Or in this playlist, the main focus is to create website under 30 minutes. We'll be using Envato Elements template kits to create these beautiful layouts. Now you can see that we have the testimonial section, doctor section, services section. We have special services page and an FAQ page. We have an about us page as well, and then we have a beautiful contact us page. There we have a beautiful contact us page that have all the information you can fill in. Also, this is very easy to customize. I'll be showing you that how you can create these layouts under 30 minutes. So if you are excited to learn that how you can create these kind of layouts, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to your dashboard, and then once you are in your dashboard, click on this appearance and then click on this themes. So once you will click on these themes, you will have to click on uh, this wordpress.org themes, and from here simply search for Hello Elementor. Here, Hello Elementor. So this is a theme that we are going to use. So simply click on install button, and once you will click on install button, then click on activate. So once you will activate the theme, the next thing that you have to do is to go to this plugins section and then click on this add new, and then search for Envato Elements. This is the plugin that we have to use. So simply click on install now. Also we want to use Elementor website builder, so click on install now here as well. Once it will get installed, what we will do is to simply click on activate button here, and the Elementor will get activated. What I want is to not to go through this setup, so what I will do is to go back to WordPress dashboard. So I'm again back to my WordPress dashboard. Now I'll go back to plugins and I will activate the Envato Elements plugin from there. Once that is done, the next thing that I have to do is to install the Elementor Pro plugin. Yes, for this tutorial you require the Elementor Pro plugin. If you do not have Elementor Pro, I'll drop the affiliate link of Elementor Pro. This will not charge you more than the actual price, but I'll get some commission from your purchase. This will help me create more videos for the channel. So I'll install the Elementor Pro here. So once it will get installed, I'll click on activate plugin, and now we have Elementor, Elementor Pro and Envato Elements installed. The next thing that we have to do is to hover over these elements, and then we'll have to click on installed kits, and then from here you'll have to click on this upload template kit. I already have downloaded a kit from Envato Elements that we are going to use for this tutorial. So I'll choose the kit and I'll click on open, and it will start getting uploaded on our WordPress dashboard. So we'll just have to wait for it to get uploaded on our WordPress dashboard. So now you can see that our kit is successfully uploaded on our WordPress dashboard. However, this kit have certain requirements that we'll have to fulfill. So simply click on this install requirements button, and it will ask you to install following plugins, simply click on install above selected requirements and it will automatically start installing the following plugins for you. Now I understand that you might not require the WooCommerce for your website, but just for the process, simply fulfill all the requirements so that we can import the template kit on our website. So now what you will have to do is to click on this import template. This is the global kit style and it is already imported. And then what I want is to import the header template, and then the footer template. Also the archive template and the single post template. I also require 404 page and contact page, FAQ page, appointment page, our staff page, services page, about us, and home page. So we require all of these things. So till these templates are getting imported on our website, what I'll do is to go to the pages sections and I want to insert pages on our WordPress website. So I'll remove this privacy policy and the refund return policy from here. So I'll move them to trash and then I'll click on add new. Once that is loaded, I do not want the full screen mode. So I'll type in the page name. This one is going to be the home page and the template will be Elementor full width and I'll click on publish. Other than that, I require about us page. Again, the template will be Elementor full width. Then we require services page. Once again, the template will be Elementor full width. Then we require our staff page, our staff, and I'll hit publish here. There is an appointment page. So I'll hit publish here. And then we have FAQ and contact page. FAQ and then the contact page. These are all the pages that we require. So now you can see that I have home page, FAQ, contact, appointment, about us, and services and our staff page. Once you will create all of these pages, the next thing that you have to do is to go to these settings and then you will have to click on reading. Once you will click on reading, from here you will choose a static page and then for the home page we want it to be home. And then we'll click on save changes. So now what it will do is to make our home page as the main page of our website. So far we do not have anything created on the website, so it is looking blank, so not to worry about that. The next thing that we have to do is to go to appearance and then menus. Then from here I'll add the menu name. You can type in anything here, it doesn't actually matter. Then click on create menu. Then I'll insert home, about us, appointment, contact, FAQ, our staff, and the services pages in the navigation. Now we have home, then I want services, then our staff, then FAQ, about us, and contact. I do not want appointments here actually. Then I'll make it as display location header, and I'll click on save menu. So once the menu will get saved, now we are ready to start creating our header and footer that we have imported from there. So what we'll have to do is to go to these templates and then click on this theme builder. This theme builder will only work if you have access to Elementor Pro. So if in case you do not have access to Elementor Pro, please make sure that you get an access to Elementor Pro and get a valid license for that. So we need to create the header. So I'll go on header. You can see that the header we imported is already there. So what we'll have to do is to click on this edit so that we can customize this header. In this tutorial, I'm not going to show you that how you can change the logo and the content for the website. The only thing I am focusing on in this quick tutorial is that how you can create layouts as soon as 30 minutes. So now you can see that the menu that we have created is already appearing there. Also, we are having icons for cart and my account. We do not require these icons, so I'll simply delete these icons. So now I want to adjust the width of logo, maybe 15% here, and then I want to increase this width here. So let's make it 15, no, 20%, and this is 15%. So this will be 65%. So now you can see how easy it is to create header in this way. I want to change the text for the button and I want it to say book an appointment, and I want to remove the icon. Once that is done, I want it to link to our appointment page. So I'll type in appointment here. Now you can see it is showing page. I'll choose this appointment from here and I'll remove the domain name from there and I'll keep only the slug. And then I'll click update. Once we'll click update, it will ask for display condition. In case it will not ask, simply click on this small arrow and then click on this display conditions and then make sure it is on entire site and then click on save and close. Once that is done, we'll exit to the dashboard and then once again I'll rename this first and then I'll go back to theme builder and then this time we'll choose footer. And now once again you will click on this small edit button here. So once you will click on this added, Elementor page builder will start loading here. So now you can see it's already loaded. We have all the things here. You can change the address here. You can type in anything there. So for example, I can type in Mumbai, Badlapur, India. Just a demo location. And then you can change the email address there and change the phone number here. And then for these I want to change these services as well, but for now I'll keep them the way they are. You can always change the things here. Now if you want, you can keep the newsletter. I want to keep them, and if you want, you can also keep the social media icons there. Now for the copyright mark, I want to change this and I want it to say Drishti I Badlapur, all rights reserved. and then that's it. I'll remove this, and then once that is done, I'll click on update. And again, for this we have to check the display condition and make sure it should be entire site, and then we'll click on save and close. And now we'll go back to the dashboard. And now if we go back to the front end of our website, now you can see we have our header and our footer appearing there. Next thing that we have to do is to fill in few more templates here for the post and the archives that we have imported. So for the single post, we'll go there, and then we'll once again click on this edit, and then you can see that the archive template, the single post template is already there. You can always customize these things. I'm not going to show you how you can customize these things. They will automatically fill out there, so don't worry about this. The only thing that I want to do here is to simply check the display conditions, and it should be post and all, and that's it. Now once that is done, we'll go back to the theme builder, and this time we'll see the archive option. And then for that we need to check the display condition, so we can click on edit condition. It will automatically fill out, and it should say post archive, not all archives. It should say post archives, and then click on save and close. The next thing we need to check is the 404 template that we have imported, and then here also we'll click on edit conditions, and it should say 404 page here, and then we'll click on save and close. Once that is done, so what we have done so far is that we have implemented all the templates that we imported from there. We already set it up the display condition for header, for footer, for this archive, for this single post. Now what we have to do for the single post and the 404 page as well. Now what we have to do is to start creating these pages. This is super easy and fun. So what you have to do is to go to this pages section, and now what I want to do is to click on this edit under home, and then what you can do is to click on edit with Elementor. I'll do the same thing for all the other pages that I want to create, just to make the video more quicker. So once this is loading, we need to import the home page template here. So for that, what you will have to do is to simply click on this add template icon, and you will have to click on this my templates. So it's loading and checking how many templates we have, and you can see that it's saying we do not have any. It's checking again, and now you can see that it's synchronized all the things. So from here we need this home page, and we'll click on insert here. Click on apply, and we'll wait for the template to get imported on our website. So now you can see the whole home page template is successfully imported on our website, along with all the images that we have in this template. So it's just loading and trying to synchronize all the things together. So don't worry about that, it will be just fine. So here you are, we have all the things showing here: services section, our value section. I definitely want to remove some of the sections from here, but I'll do them later. So we have all the things showing there, and then we'll click on this update button. That's it. And the fun part is this is responsive, so you do not have to worry about the mobile responsiveness or the tablet responsiveness of the website. And this is a mobile version. But now you can see that this hamburger is not aligned toward the right side. So what I want to do is to click on this edit header button, and then I'll click on this edit column icon. This is just a small icon right beneath this. So I'll click on this and I will increase the column width until it goes to the right place. So the 50% width for the left section and the 50% width for the right column. And for the tablet view, I'll do the same thing. I'll increase the column width, and that's it. And then I'll click on update. So as you can see how easy it is to fix the small things using the Envoto element kits. So now our home page is created. If I go to my domain name, we will be able to see the whole page that we have just created. Now for the first time, this may take quite some time to load, so don't worry about that. So till this is loading, what we can do is to go to the other pages. So the next up we have our staff page. I'll click on edit with Elementor there, and Elementor will start loading, and here the home page has started loading as well. And now here you can see that the template we have imported is already appearing there. And it is super fun. You can create website in this way in less than 30 minutes. We'll definitely create more website in our playlist of create websites in 30 minutes in near future. So for this one, we want to import our staff. So I once again click on this folder icon, and then I'll click on my templates, and then from here I'll have to choose our staff, and I'll click on insert, and then I'll click on apply. So since this is loading in, what I can do is to go to the services page, and I can click on edit with Elementor here, and our staff template is already imported there. So it is loading again, and our services page is also loading the Elementor page builder. So now you can see our staff page is successfully imported on our website. And it is super easy to customize anything or replace the content on the website. For the services page, I'll once again click on this folder icon, and I'll X mark this, and then I'll click on this my templates, and then from here I'll have to choose on services, and I'll click on this insert. It will start loading in the page template for the services page, and what we can do is to go to the next page, that is FAQ page. So I'll click on edit with Elementor there, and you can see that our template is already loaded, and here is our template. Cool, huh? Cool and super easy. I'll click on update button, and then I can X mark this. Then I'll once again click on that folder icon, and I'll choose my template. For this one, this is FAQ page. So I'll insert this FAQ template, and I'll go to the next page, that is contact, and I'll click on edit with Elementor there. Now you can see our FAQ page is loaded as well, and the Elementor page builder is loading for the contact page here. Now you can see this is our FAQ page. So now it is updated. Now we can import the contact page. So once again I'll go to my templates, and I'll load in the contact page. And the last one we have is about us page. No, I think we have appointment page as well, so we'll have to load in that page as well. Now this page is already imported. It will just take some time to load in all the things. So don't worry if the colors are different. It is because we are loading in two pages in Elementor page builder, and sometime Elementor page builder do this thing. What you can do is to simply refresh the page and it will fix the CSS issue that it shows. Now for the about us page, I'll click on add template here and I'll click on my template. And I'll have to choose about us page from there. And I'll click on insert and I'll apply this. And now you can see the colors got fixed there. You can change every information there, and this form is created with Elementor Pro. So you can customize anything with Elementor Pro there. For the about us page, it is loading in. What we can do is to go back to the pages, and if I refresh this page now, you will be able to locate all the pages that are created with Elementor. Now the only page left is the appointment page. The about us page, it is loaded in successfully and quite fine. I'll click on update there, and then I can click on edit with Elementor to load in Elementor for appointment page. So now if I go back, this is loading for the appointment page. You can see this is the home page of our website that we have just imported a couple of minutes ago. This is our services page. Let's just import in the template for appointment page as well. So I'll click on insert and I will click on apply, and it will start importing the template for the appointment page as well. So here we have beautiful template form on the appointment page. There it is. And you have hours and the frequently asked question and everything here. I'll click on update here, and then this is a services page there. This is our staff page that we have just imported, so that you can insert the information of doctors that you have for your medical website. Then you have FAQ question page, so that you can type in the frequently asked question that your patients ask. Then we have about us page, so that you can type in the information related to you on this page. And then we have contact page, that is pretty much standard, but this looks fine. And then we have book an appointment page. There it is, book an appointment page. And the only thing that I want to check now, that is you can see that I'm not able to click on this logo. In order to make it clickable, what you will have to do is to hover over this edit with Elementor, and then you will have to click on header. So I'll open this in a new tab and I'll go to the home page. And then here what I want to confirm is to check the post template that we have added should work fine there. Once this will get loaded, what you have to do is to click on this logo, and then you will have to click on this link, and then you will have to click on this custom URL, and then you can see this small icon. Simply click on this, and from here click on site URL, and it will automatically fetch the site URL. Simply click on update, and then you can see our post template is loaded in successfully as well. And for the archive page, let's confirm the archive page as well. You can see this is our archive page. Because we have the post without a featured image, that is why it is appearing in this way, but our archive template is loaded in as well. So I'll go back to the home page, and this is just how you can create a hospital website or the eye care clinic website in just 30 minutes. The only thing that is left now is to change the content and to change some of the images and to add in few links to the other pages of your website, and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.